julle. Dit is Juffrou Adinda hierso. Ek hoop alles gaan goed. I hope you are very well. Vandag gaan ons maande van die jaar woordjies oefen. Maande van die jaar. Today we are going to practice our months of the year words. First, let's practice together. Eerste gaan ons saam oefen. January, January, February, February, March, Maart, April, April, June, Junie. Nou kan jy 'n pen en papier gaan haal om dit neer te skryf. Now you can grab a pen and paper and practice writing it down. Are you ready? Okay. January, February, Maart, April, Junie, baie dankie. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Tot ziens.